Mom! I need some money! I need some new tracks, girl!
Bitch, you just got new tracks!
Mom!
Bitch, you just got new tracks!
I didn't ask you all of that!
You just asked me for some brand new tracks. No, yesterday you just got some brand new tracks in your damn pants.
I need some 16 inches, though!
You don't need no inches.
You're just a broke worthless bitch!
But then you need to take your broke worthless ass and get a
Fuck
job.
you! Fuck you! You're so damn gay.
What's her name?
Mama.
Mama. Mama. What you want now? So, this is what happened, right? What's gonna happen? So, you gonna give me your keys. I'm gonna hit the club. No, I'm gonna go pick up Lil Ray Ray. And cause you know my boo, cause you know he just got off a house arrest. So yeah, we're gonna hit the club, and then we're gonna go get a hotel, and then we're gonna, drop something, and then later I'm gonna come back around 5 o'clock in the morning. And so that's just how it's just gonna go down. If that's how it's going to go down, you can take your ass and walk. You ain't getting my mother loving keys. Do you pay car insurance? Mom. Do you pay the rent? Mom. You